stay past that. Yeah.
I will just record so we can share with people in class.
Thanks. Okay, yeah, that's
Okay.
perfect.
Thank you.
Thank
Alright.
you.
So, let me share my screen. So you can see my screen, right?
Not yet. Yes.
Okay, I will just bring this. Chat. So now, where am I going? I guess you should have created all these. Everybody should have their objects ready right now, right? Hello? Is there anybody having issue with object creation, at least to this stage?
I think I'm having problems with the different plans, the basic plans, standard plans, and the premium plans, right?
Yeah.
How do you make it the default plan? I'm having problems with that.
I make a default plan.
How do you make those three? First of all, you have to make it a pick list, when you're creating the field towards the object. And now each of these plans have like a default, a standard price, for example.
If I get this right, the only thing you need to create, the object you need to create is customer plan and just customer and plan, right?
But one of the instructions with the project says that we should create three objects, customer plans and billing. That's where the confusion is.
Yeah, billing will come in later, but the basic table is customer plan, then billing, right? But then create your customer, that's the first thing. Pick it one by one, create your customer, right? Create your customer, then create your plan. Now, the fields in customer are already given somewhere. Let me see. Yeah, these are the fields for customer. The address, the customer name, the email, the phone. Make sure the email is unique. You know how to do that already. Phone. Then the plan is a result of like plan here is a relationship, which means the first thing you want to create is plan. You create your plan. I don't know if you get me.
I'm here.
The first thing you want to create is your plan. In this case, you create plan, then you create customer, because the reason why you have to go that way is why creating customer, you need a plan object, because the plan object is a pick list is a lookup relationship to customer. So while you are creating a customer, you create a new field called plan, which is a relationship to plan, which is a lookup relationship to plan. I don't know if you get that.
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, technically, the way you said it makes sense, but when it's time to set this up, you start having some back and forth problems. For example, when you're creating the object plan, it automatically sets a name like a default plan name.
No, it doesn't. You decide what you want to do with it, right? Custom object. I'm starting with plan, right? Plan, and they said here for plan, you should have these fields: call rate, free calling minute, all these ones, which are coming, like you should know the data type for that. So you are creating, plan name. Plan name here is a field, right? Which means here you can just do something like, plans. Then here you can leave it as plan name, then the data type is text. Then you save. I won't be creating the field, so we already know how to work with objects. Then you have,
Can you check the field and relationship, please, after creating the plan?
okay. Let me do plan, field and relationship. Plan. This is plan. This is fields and relationship. This is it. You have plan name. Hello.
Okay. So this is the problem I'm having is this same plan also have a pick list of standard, basic, and premium. How do you create a pick list on this standard object plan?
Plan as, you said it has a pick list of what?
It's gonna have like we have three basic plans.
These are examples. You are supposed to create this in the front end.
But this example is like a standard.
Are examples. Hold on, let's go through these. I've created plan, right? Let me create customer. They're examples. Customers, then yeah, I have that. So that. Then in my customer field and relationship, I want to have a new field called plan, which is a lookup. So I think there should be an explanation. I didn't really read that, but it should either be a lookup or master detail. You decide that yourself. If you're having issue with that, you can let me know. But I've not really read that requirements. I will just pick this. What am I looking for? Plan, right?
Yeah, plan.
This is plan. Next. Plan, customer. Next. You do this accordingly. Next, and save. Now, if I go to,
Sorry, can I ask a question?
Sure.
This customer now, is it a child or a master?
Okay, look at it this way. Customer has many plans. Customer has a plan. So at this point, the customer is a master, right? No. The customer is a master because you want to pick a plan on a customer. Like when you have a customer, you want to pick the plan the customer has. That was why we had to create it on the customer object.
Okay.
Let's just, we can come back to that.
I get
It
it.
doesn't show, right? That's why we are testing, right? I'm just bringing them to the tab. So if I come back here and look for plan, really? Yeah. So if you do new on plan, what you're expected to do here is to put each of these plans inside the plan. I don't know if you get. Now, the first plan you have is basic plan. Basic plan. Then you have other bunch of fields. You have the free calling minute field. You have the free internet field, which I didn't create. Then you fill each one of these values in the fields here. I didn't create them, but just imagine they are there. I have created the field. So all you need to do is put, once you are done with basic plan, you create standard plan. So once you are done with standard plan, you create premium plan. They are examples. So you should have 3 plans in your system. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Great. So now when you're, let me just save this so I can go to customer. Now, when you go to customer, interesting. Not the customer before. Now, when you go to customer, you can now say, okay, I think we have examples for customer too, right? Yeah, customer one, right? Customer one. Customer one, and I don't think it's using relationship. Tell me, create at least 3 customers and assign the plan. Okay, and assign the plan above. The first customer gets basic, the second customer gets standard, the third customer gets premium. So what I want to do here is customer one has basic. Then I put the other fields and I save. Do you get?
Mhm.
Is it making sense?